How to do the Instagram highlight stalking trap. The first things first, for you to be able to successfully do this method without any problems is to make sure that you are currently running or using the latest version of Instagram app. So just go directly to Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded the app and make sure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now there are two methods that you can do. First method is just go directly to your profile and then just simply tap on a specific post where you would like to see those highlights. Now just simply tap at the top right portion, you will see three dots, tap on that, and then if you scroll down, you can actually check for view insights. Now the other thing that you can do is just heading directly to your settings and activity. Now you should be able to see this at the top right portion of your screen, which is actually a three lines. Scroll down till you find Insights, which is going to be under Professional Dashboard. And that's it. That's how you will actually do the Instagram highlights stalking trap.